Hey, good evening. Good evening. I just finished eating a wonderful salad. But today, after finishing a Sisterlock establishment, I was on the way to pick up my salad. I was talking to my brother. We call him Do. And just talking about the chicken that's at the place where I was going to be picking up my salad. And how he loved that chicken since high school. As I parked my car, I looked in the mirror and I saw my hair. This is what I saw. You guys, can you see all the frizz up there? And my hair really needs some attention. And when I noticed it, I said, oh my goodness, my hair is so frizzy. And my brother told me not to be like the mechanic, the plumber, and some other professionals who you will find out there repairing everybody else's problems, and theirs is still the same. So I told him, oh no, not this woman, not this Sisterlock trainee. I'm not going to be like that. You see, tomorrow is retightening day, and I am focusing on this. So I wanted you to see though just how frizzy the gray can get. I also wanted you to see that lock that I've mentioned before. It's not hard to find. It's easy to find. It's the longest lock I have. And I told you that this lock started with a weak base maybe. And remember when that lock was really thin. It's still thinner than the rest, but it's getting thicker. Now, one other thing about this lock is that this lock pops out. This lock loves to be seen. If I pull these locks down, I want you to see the lock. It's longer and it really stands out. Sometimes when I'm riding along, this lock decides to reach out and tickle me just to let me know that she is still there and doing well. I'm getting ready to braid and band my hair right now for tomorrow's retightening session. I'm really looking forward to that. Really looking forward to it. And I want to thank you for being concerned about me. In my previous video when I talked about my first establishment that I did and what happened to me. And if you have not watched that video yet, I'm going to put it somewhere here in the cards so you can click on it, and also in the description box. I also want to say thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for your continued support, for your concern, and for caring about me. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, my question is, as always, what are you waiting on? Come on and join the Gene G family. I'll be back with a little bit more information, or just to show you what my hair looks like after it's retightened. These Sisterlocks really need some attention. And I'm going to start in a few minutes and give it some attention, because I'm going to braid and band my hair the next time you see me. Maybe when I'm taking out the braids and the band. It may be before retightening. I'm not sure yet. It all depends on how my day goes. Have a great evening. Good afternoon. I am taking down my morning hairstyle. If you watched my previous video, you know I did this style in order to go walking, and I had my hair braided and banded. If you didn't watch my previous video, I am going to put a link to it right up here so you can go back and watch it. And I'll also try to remember to put a link to it in the description box as well. But I'm going to take my hair down so I can get ready to go and get my retightening. And that's what I want you to see. It's time. I might speed this up as I take this out, and you'll see that this braid, these braids will become a braid out. We'll see what it looks like after my retightening, and I'll be back to see you. It's the excitement of somebody else is doing my hair and not me having to do someone else's hair. It's my time. And it's my season. I believe this to be gorgeous, but I still need my retightening. So this retightening is icing on the cake, my 360. And I'll see you again after my retightening. Good afternoon. I have gotten my hair retightened. I was able to come in early, maybe about 20 minutes early. So it took 2 hours and 10 minutes to get my hair retightened. And it was wonderful. I talked to Kim about some of my issues and challenges as a trainee, and she gave me some wonderful pointers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a video to encourage other trainees in the future, just from what she was able to tell me. But this was really wonderful. I am a sister who loves my locks. I love my family. I love my friends. I love my followers and my subscribers. And again, I love my God. Because he's so good to me. He is. Have a great day. I had to come back because I forgot to do one of the YouTube Sisterlocks Great Customs after retightening. You have to show your grid. Look at this. I can see my scalp, and that in itself should be enough, but it's not. Oh, wow. You guys, I feel like my hair has been snatched, slayed, and laid. It's just wonderful. Have a good night. Have a good night.